Assalamu alaikum, good morning, good evening, good afternoon to all of you. I think you are having a very good time, right? Before commencing my speaking, many people think that many people assume that they cannot speak English. It's hit the nail on the head. So why they are thinking that cannot speak English properly in a long term, right? There's the one problem behind it. And if you want to, first of all, before commencing, earlier that I told you before commencing my speaking, I want to tell you that if you want to your assess your knowledge, if you want to assess what you have learned yesterday or in the past time or right now what you are learning, if you want to assess, it will be drawback, right? Because of it takes more time to speak English properly, and approximately 2 months, 3 months, 4 months. But if you will learn, if you will be learning, if you will be speaking like a 1 week, 2 weeks, and afterwards, if you will think that, if you will assume that what you have learned, why we cannot speak English, it will be drawback, totally drawback, because of it takes time, and before 3 or 4 months, you should not take it, you should not think, you should not assume your knowledge, you should not assume everything like a vocabulary, like a sentence making structure or something like that, right? So there's the one point, and I assert that if you want to learn English, first of all, you should think about it, you should think about English. Okay, so why we should think about English? Let me give you an example. Interpret, let me give you interpret this thing about it. So first of all, we have to think about English, because of if you'll be thinking about English, that what you have done, what is your daily routine, what is your daily, how you can speak English, how you will go your college, university, or home. So if you will think about it, and if you want to translate Bangla to English, it will be better for you, because that's why, because of when you will think, and after that, when you want to speak English, open your mouth, that of it will be comes in your mouth gradually. Like actually, you will not think that, oh my god, how is it possible? Yeah, so thinking is a very important, it's I can say, it's a part of learning English, because if you will think, okay, so first of all, you may tell me that how, when we will think about English. Okay, when you will go to your bed, by laying, you can think about English. Okay, thinking English is very important, first of all. And if you will not think that, how is it possible to make a sentence? And before, also, we as a human being, before doing something or before making something, first of all, we have to think. We have a pre-plan that what we will do it about it, by pre-plan, right? So for this reason, actually, think about it. Thinking is very important for English learning. Okay, so you have to emphasize your thinking, because if you will think that 1 or 2 days or 4 days, it will be not perfect. You have to emphasize, you have to take it in a long term, so that you can get your fluency within a short time. There were so many alternative way to think, like if you will write, like I'm making video, and after making video, if I will work on the road, if I will be alone, that, and I will thinking, I can think that, how I can how can I walk on the road, and what is sounded to me, what is the thing is behind it. So in this way, actually, you can think about English, it will be better for you. So I think you got the point. I am just have just talked about one thing, one topic. So I think you will just follow this thing. If you want to learn, if you want to like my video, you can subscribe my channel. Assalamu alaikum.